Apple has introduced a secure new lockdown mode. And the question is, should you be using it? And the simple answer is no, and here is why. Most people don't have to worry about being targeted with the latest spyware. For the people who do worry about that, Apple is introducing a new lockdown mode on its devices. My thanks to How to Geek for their excellent article on this topic. Just follow the link if you want to read the entire article. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and get involved. Apple announced its new lockdown mode on July 6, 2022, which is coming to iOS 16 on iPhones, iPad OS 16 for iPads, and Mac OS Ventura for Mac computers. The company says it offers an extreme optional level of security for the very few users who, because of who they are or what they do, may be personally targeted by some of the most sophisticated digital threats, such as those from NSO Group and other private companies developing state-sponsored mercenary spyware. The new feature restricts some features on iPhones, iPads, and Macs that can theoretically be used to deliver malware, acting like a preemptive strike on newly discovered security vulnerabilities before Apple can fix them for everyone. Lockdown mode blocks all iMessage attachments other than images and turns off link previews, disables just-in-time JavaScript compilation for web browsing unless the site is added to an allow list, blocks FaceTime calls from unknown contacts, turns off all wired connections on iPhones after they are locked, and blocks configuration profiles. Some of these changes are drastic. Web browsers can be noticeably slower without JIT, but they do cut off many potential attack vectors without making the device completely unusable. Even though most people have no need for extreme security measures like this, that's provided you keep your devices updated. This new security feature is great to have for people in dangerous or compromising situations that still need a full smartphone. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.